Alright guys, for the first trip of 2022, I made another return back to the Bloomington GO station, which is on mile 28.70 on the Ballot subdivision. This trip to Bloomington was much better than last time, but I seen much better trips. I only saw 3 trains. So what did I see here? 183, 113, and 185. And I was able to catch a meet here. Alright, let's get started with the trains. The first train I saw was CNQ183 that goes from Brampton to Prince Rupert, BC. Today, 183 was led by 2 GEVO locomotives, and that is 3020 reading and 2972 for the DPU. And at the end of the train was the braking container car. Today, 183 has 101 cars before the DPU, and 46 cars after the DPU. In total, 183 has 137 intermodal cars. And it was going to stop to have a meet with CN113, which will be the next train. The CN183. The next train we saw that was passing 183 is CN Z113 that goes from Winnipeg to Toronto. Today, 113 was really interesting. It had two -9 locomotives, and that is 2617 and 2587. And this was actually not the first time I saw 2617. I first saw it at Cedar Brae last year. It was reading on M303, and 6 cars staying on the train were 5 loaded center beam cars. I wonder why they put them onto this train here. Today, 113 has 90 cars. And at the end of 113, 183 departed.
1. No alarm. Temperature 1C. Total axle 268. Speed 49.
And with a bang, 183 departed. Well, that's the first pair of GEVOs that you saw this year. Yep, it is. I'm pretty sure I'm going to see a lot more this year.
Somebody call the door? CN Detector, ALA 3-1. No alarms. Temperature 1C. Total axle 424. Speed 3-4. What's that, please?
15 minutes later, along came CN Z185 that goes from Montreal to Prince Rupert, BC. Today, 185 was led by 2 GEVO locomotives.
Nobody cares!
Come on, nobody cares about GEVOs.
Nobody cares!
Yeah, I'd like to see some EMD power. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. I only ended up seeing some GEVOs today. But hopefully next trip it will be something better. Reading it is 3887 with a 100-year anniversary sticker, and 2838 for a DPU. And this was actually not the first time I saw 2838. I first saw it at Harrow Road last year. It was DPUing on 185. Today, 185 has 127 intermodal cars.
Detector, ALA 3-1. No alarms. temperature 1 C, total axle 348, speed 38.
After 185 passed, the two signals went back to default and it stayed default for the rest of the trip. So unfortunately, 185 was the final train of the day. But it was still a great trip. Well anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the first Railfan video of the year, and until my next main Railfan video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks. Hey, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more epic Railfan videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this epic Railfan video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual.